back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw NIHILEGO. If you must know by now, NIHILEGO is, well, one of the Ultra Beasts and the first one to appear in Pokemon Sun and Moon Ultra Legends. If you must know, NIHILEGO is the reason why Lily cannot touch Pokemon in the first place. And she has a big fear of it. To be honest, she thought that Savali was the one who attacked her, and, well, it was NIHILEGO who put her through peril. To be honest, after she recovered her memory, she began touching Pokemon again, and, well, she went on a mission to go back and defeat NIHILEGO after she took her mother away. Anyways, after that battle, Lily, you see, Ash and his friends, they decided to become Ultra Guardians under the command of Lusamine. To be honest, I don't like the parts when Lily decided to join. I'd rather her say that she declined and want to shut down this project. And it would have been better off if Faba would have killed her anyway. It would have been better if Faba would have killed her. Because I prefer that scene better. That way we wouldn't have to see Lily again in the show. You know what I mean? Wouldn't that be funny? Anyways, you see NIHILEGO, she has a jellyfish-like hat on her head, and her body has stars on it. And next up, here's her star on her head. Anyways, almost done with that. There we go. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta draw her arms here. Make sure to add 4 of them. There we go. Okay, next up is her hair. I don't know if that's her skirt or not, but I'm pretty sure that's her hair. Anyways, make sure to go up. And add a few adjustments here. This is where the bubbles are. Anyways, there's her body. There's her hair. Next thing you gotta do is that you gotta move this part. I think those are her legs. At least I think that's what they are. And add a hole right here. That's where her crotch is. Or where her bladder should be. Next up, here's her other leg here. There we go. That's how you draw NIHILEGO. That didn't take so long, right guys? Oh wait, almost forgot this piece here. Anyways, that's how you draw NIHILEGO. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys later. And if you guys are a big fan of Ultra Beasts, make sure to let me know what kind I should draw next. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. See you next time.